see a saving Goku arc, but after it's over, Gohan becomes the main character of the show.
Pressing the button. It's a win-win. It's a win-win situation, so I would love to see that.
You can fly faster than light itself, but you can never travel to other countries.
I could press the button. Press the button easily.
You can freeze time, but you're literally a midget.
I'm not freezing time, bro. I'm Godo. I'm good. I'm good on that.
You can regenerate any part of your body if needed, but the cost to buy the skill is taking off 5 years of your life.
I'm not pressing that button.
You have Super Saiyan strength, but you randomly turn into an angry gorilla once a month.
Nah, to the heck. Nah.